Hey everybody, welcome to Uke Crazy. This is Danielle. I've got a tutorial for you for happy birthday. What we're going to be learning is just the melody, so you can solo this out on your own for somebody's birthday or your own birthday. So what I'm going to do when we do the tutorial is I'm going to break it into about 4 sections. I'm going to teach you them individually and then we're going to put it all together. Okay, so I'm going to get started with our first section. It's going to be all on your C string. So again, if we just review, it's G, C, E, A. And what I'm going to do here on my C string is do an open, open, 2, open. And then I'm going to go to my E string and then do a 1, open. So I'm going to go really slow. It's going to sound like this. See how that first part was all on the C string for the open, open, 2, open. Then the E string for the 1, open. Let's do it one more time. Super simple. So I'm going to move on to that second section. And the second section kind of begins the same, but there's an extra little note in there that I want you to be careful of. It's going to do that open, open, 2, open. But then we're going to go to our open on our G string. And then back to a 1 on our E string. So it's going to look a little bit like this. You see that? So it's kind of the same for the C string, but then it changes up with the G and the E. All right, perfect. Before we move on, let's go ahead and put 1 and 2 together so you can hear that how that sounds. So I'm going to start in my C. All right, that's really easy, right? So that's the first and second section. Now we're gonna move on to the third and then the fourth and final section. Okay, so who's ready for that third and fourth section of happy birthday? So what we've got is we've got an open, open on our C string. We've got a 3 open on our A string, 1 open on the E, and then to hold that C 2 kind of a little bit longer. So you can see that little asterisk on the 2 on our tabs. Check it out real quick and let's get to it. All right, let's try it one more time. All right, so ready to finish it out with the fourth section? This one's really simple. Check it out on the tab. You're gonna go to your A string for a 1, 1, open. Then we're gonna go to our E, 1, G open, E 1. This will finish it out. There you have it.
All right, guys, we're going to be playing along with Happy Birthday here. So insert your friend's name here, and let's get ready to play. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's take Happy Birthday just a little bit faster now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. All right.
Happy birthday! I got you a new ukulele.
Oh my gosh!
Happy birthday! I got you your very own Uke Crazy merch.
My own Uke Crazy merch?
It's the hottest merch in the game.
What? It's too hot to
It's
handle.
too spicy. Try it on.
Thanks for my Uke Crazy merch.
Link in bio.